Hey guys, I'm using the front camera, the selfie camera, and I'm sorry, the quality won't be like the same. But today is a Sunday, and please don't come here to me. Today is a Saturday, and the way I had plans that I would wake up. I was gonna wake up today, do my wardrobe, and be that girl, get busy and stuff. It's currently 2 o'clock, and I'm still in bed. I only woke up to make food for my daughter, and yeah, but now I realize that I need to actually wake up, bath, and then cook because I don't have a choice. I need to cook. So yeah, that's about it. I think I'll cook with you guys or show you what I have cooked. I haven't decided, but yeah, this is a new vlog. Please subscribe if you're new and welcome. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family. If you are returning Sabi, thank you so much for returning. Appreciate you guys every single week. Yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this vlog. Please like the video. I'll see you guys when I start cooking. I'm just lazy. To be honest, I'm just lazy. Nje, ningamangali mase ngidla ama-noodles because, but I will cook. I will prove my lazy self wrong and cook. I will cook. Doesn't matter. My trip. Guys. Okay, after church. Go. Guys. Go. I will go exercise now. Sorry. As we can say, you know, and was trying to think out. Anyways. Yes, chilling.
Your back sways in parabola motion, right on top is the latest club incantation. all the weekend working up the courage. We'll pray away the pain of not being in alignment with our dreams. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out ya. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out ya. Fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living out ya. Be someone who's living out. Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona. Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona. Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona.
Looking, it looks good in front, but at the back, yeah, Lana, I don't know what's happening.
Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona. Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona. Emcimbini kulapho nthola khona. Emcimbini Marikana khambeki sekufike amathuke lengana kuzeki neya mayibambe ayiyo lento esixabanisa nabazali nomakhelwane piano asisalali emakhaya ngenxa yakho. Piano asisalali emakhaya ngenxa yakho. Emcimbini ngithola khona emcimbini, kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini, kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini.
Let's go. I'm excited, but I'm nervous because it's the morning. It's like I'm going to work. Literally, right now. I'm going to work right now. So, if things are not coming out nicely, Sana, what the heck? Yo, I think I'm more nervous about this part. Yes, this is what I wanted. And then I think I'm gonna use the comb, the hot comb, to just deflatination, and yeah, it's good. I like it. I like it. I'm a blonde girl. Ooh. Ah, love it, Sana. Ooh.
Emcimbini, kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini, kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini, kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini, kulapho ngithola khona. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it.
First things first, let me finish the register because what the heck?
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I land. Lily, oh, 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 ah, lily, oh, 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 oh.
Yo, I don't even have space, guys. Hi, it's another day of the vlog. Didn't speak to you guys in a while, obviously. But yeah, today's a Thursday and I was craving I'm a queen and I'm a cheat. I'm so excited. I haven't had them in a month. So yeah, miss them. Mm. Oh my god. Love this combo so much. Mm. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this vlog. I'm in a space. I'll speak to you guys when I speak to you. Please don't forget to please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, me eat. Yo, my work friend is not here today. That is why I'm eating in the car. Ooh, I'm going to ulalile shem. Because why? I clean it. My person is so. Mm. Mm. Wow.